Hi everybody, welcome to the Beyond High C channel. I'm Kiersten and this video is by request. I do take those, I read your comments, and this channel and this video are for people who've had a stroke or a brain injury. Maybe you have Parkinson's disease or there's some other reason you're trying to get your swallowing function to improve and your articulation to be better. This practice is for you. I want to invite you to join me on this exercise you could do daily if you find it helpful, and it'll encompass rhythm, articulation, and breath support all rolled in. So you can sit up a little tall in your seat, and you're going to take breaths in rhythm. You can take 2 with me right now. Breathe in through your nose. Use your core muscles and blow it out. One more time. Breathe in through your nose. Core muscles, use them, blow out. We're going to feel the rhythm. We're going to say the sound k, k. Something's happening with your tongue. I'm not a speech therapist, so do your best. Consult a speech therapist if you want more info. We're going to do this twice. I'm breathing in. Feel that rhythm. Breathe in and say k, k. Breathe in. Let's go again. K, k. Use your core muscles. Ready. Breathe in. K, k. The power's from here. K, k. And breathe in. K, k. Now we're going to do 5. My turn. Just listen. I'm breathing in. Ready? Breathe in. Ready? Breathe in. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe in one more time and we're going to do a little progression now. You want to keep that flowing, energetic breath coming in. Keep using your core muscles, the muscles around your waist. Say with me, K. Breathe in and say 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 K. And one more time, K. We're going to add a musical note. It doesn't matter if you sing well or not. It's good for a lot of reasons I won't get into. Breathe in. Actually, listen once, then you can do it with me. Here I go. K, 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 K. Ready, breathe in. K, 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 and 3 more times. K, 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 K. Are you breathing in? K, 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 K. Here's the rhythm. Take fresh, fueling breaths in. Last time. K, 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 K. You can evaluate how you're doing with that by listening. You can pause this video and stop and listen to yourself say K, K. See how you're saying it. Maybe you want to say it 3 times to yourself. I encourage you to try to remember your fresh feeling breath in, remember your core muscles turned on, and to check your muscles to see if you're saying K, K, K. Listen once and then it'll be your turn. K, 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 K. Ready, breathe in. K, 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 K. Ready, breathe in. in. K, 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 K. One more time. K, 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 K. How'd it go? We did K, now let's do key. It's the same sound to start. Breathe in. K, K, K. Now the word breathe in. Key, key, key. Let's do it again. Key, key, key. Now sing it 5 times. Key, key, breathe. Key, key, key. Do it 2 more times. Key, 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 key. And breathe in. Key, 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 key. And breathe in once more. Key, 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 key. Let's go up the scale. Key, 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 key. Fresh breath in. Key, 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 key. Do it one more time. Key, 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 key. Take a break. Are you using your fresh feeling breath and your core muscles? And the k, k, k. Next one is kai. Say it with me. Kai, 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 kai. Ready, breathe in. Kai, 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 kai. Now sing it on one note. Kai, breathe. Kai, 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 kai. Feel the first sound. Kai, 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 kai. One more time. Kai, breathe. Kai, kai, breathe. Kai, kai. Breathe when you need to. And use your core. We're going up the scale. Ready? Breathe in. Kai, 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 kai. Breathe in. Kai, 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 kai. And 2 more times. Kai, breathe. Kai, kai, breathe. Kai, kai. And last one, breathe. Kai, 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 kai. Take a break. Are you using your tongue like you can? Are you breathing in? Are you using your core muscles? Say with me, k, k, k. And do it again. K, k, k. Here we go. Next sound will be ko, ko, ko. Pay attention to the K. Ko, ko, ko. Do it one more time. Ko, ko, ko. Now on one note. Ko, breathe. Ko, 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 ko. Big deal on the K. Ko, 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 ko. Do it one more time. Ko, breathe. Ko, 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 ko. Now up the scale. Ko, ko, co, co, co. Ready, breathe, co, 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 co. Pay attention to the K, co, 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 co. Do it one more time, co, 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 co. Take a break. Last one. Last sound is coo, 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 coo. One note, go. Coo, 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 coo. Let's do it again. Coo, 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 coo. Pay attention to the K. Coo, 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 coo. Now up the scale. Coo, 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 coo. And breathing in. Coo, 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 coo. Pay attention to the K. Coo, 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 coo. Do it 2 more times. Coo, 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 coo. Breathe in last time. Coo, 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 coo. Ready to take a break? Dare we try them all together? If you make a mistake, it's all right. What's important is that you're taking a fresh, fueling breath in, you're using your core muscles to support, and you're working your articulators crisp and clear as you can. It's going to go like this. K, ki, kai, ko, ku. Try it with me. Breathe in. K, ki, kai, ko, ku. One more time. K, ki, kai, ko, ku. Going up the scale. K, ki, kai, ko, ku. Breathe in, pay attention. K, ki, kai, ko, ku. Are you making that K? K, ki, kai, ko, ku. Breathe in, go again. K, ki, kai, ko, ku. And here's the last one. K, ki, kai, ko, ku. Ready and stop. All right, I hope you found that useful and helpful. That's something you could do again and again to work your swallowing function and your articulators, having a fresh fueling breath in to support your strong sound and pace yourself so you can talk more clearly and be better understood. I can't wait to see you, hopefully, in beyondhighc.com and definitely in the next video.